Hello, everybody. Today we are going to look at how to add property rooms in your hotel. This feature is helpful when setting up your PMS for the first time, or in case you have added a new room to the property. The same applies when there are changes in the room numberings or stuff. On the screen, we are inside the room types bar. Let's switch to full screen. Here we can see all existing room types for our demo property. In the top right corner, there is a button called New Room Type. Let's click on it, which will take us to a page like this. On this page, we will see all these steps: general, images, room, facilities, disable, hide from BE, setting, cashback, and special offer. These are the details we need to fill in for the room type. Now, let's go inside the general details section. The property name is already selected for us. Now we can enter the room type. Let's enter something like premium room. Okay, so a premium room type name has been given. Now we can select any of these options if it's a villa, apartment, club, cottage, suite, bedroom, or anything else. We can just select it from here. Let's go for the room. Then you can enter how many rooms you have here. For the premium category, let's say 2. Next, you can enter the standard bar rate, for example, 2,500, and your best available bar rate, let's say 2,000. Now below this, you need to add the bed count. Also, select the bed type. Let's randomly fill in this areas. Now, this is something we need to be very careful about, adding default guest occupancy. Once you have set a default occupancy here, let's say 2, and you have filled in all these details and created it by clicking here, there is no way to come back and change this. The only way to update it is by deleting the room type, and then adding it again with the new default occupancy number you need. Now, let's go to the maximum guest occupancy. Set it to 3. For maximum adults, set it to 2. And for children, 1. You can add any short description here, such as, the room has a panoramic view. You can select the cancellation policy here from all the cancellation policies that have already been built. Let's move to the next category, which is the image category. Here you need to upload your thumbnail image and your room gallery images. Next, we'll go to the room facilities. You have the option to select each facility that you offer and simply enter it. For example, let's choose 2 bedrooms, mineral water, microwave, luxury dining hall. Or we can pick some random options. That is it. Now, the disable option is for disabling all the rooms under this category. Currently, it is enabled. Whenever you want to disable it, you can come here and make it turned off. If you want to hide it from the booking engine, you can do that as well. Now let's look at the settings. You can disable same-day booking by toggling this option. This will prevent same-day bookings. If you want to set a minimum day booking for this room type, you can add it here. If you want to offer cashback amounts, like 100 cashback with the room tab, you can set it here. You can enable it here. For special offers, you can add anything, such as breakfast included or a mini kit included. Upload it here. We'll randomly add something here for you to understand. These are all the parameters we have added. Now let's go ahead and create it. Okay, we have created a premium room, and you can see it appears at the top. Now let's go back to the booking engine and see if our room is listed. Yes, in the booking engine for the demo property, you can see the premium room we added. We have not yet provided a thumbnail or gallery image, which is why it appears blank. Here, you can see the additional cashback of 100%, the free gift button, the best available rate, all the facilities you selected, and the description. The room has the panoramic view we mentioned earlier. This is how you create a room here. You can always come here and edit any of the information, except for the default occupancy, and that is how you can do it. Now let's say you have added the room type, and there are 2 rooms under this category. You need to add the room number so you can easily manage it in your PMS. To do this, go to the property rooms option we have here. Open it. You will see all the current property rooms listed. Here you also have options to edit, copy, and manage them. Let's go inside this new property room. Let's choose something like Premium 1. You can select the premium room, then create it. That will be your first premium room number. You can also add another room number under your premium category. This is how you set up your property room numbers and property room types in our booking engine. You can always come back and edit these settings anytime. Just remember, while setting up, we should not mess the default occupancy by mistake. The only way to edit it is by disabling it from inside and then creating another room. Thanks for watching.